This data highlights a specific failure in modern business. Companies lose 20% of their customers simply because they stop maintaining the relationship. For years, sales were driven by a product-centric model. The focus was on aggressive tactics to extract revenue as quickly as possible through a process of telling and selling. But the internet removed that corporate advantage. Transparency and instant access to competitors shifted the power balance, giving consumers the ability to walk away from any offer that doesn't meet their needs. When businesses treat buyers like transactional targets, they pay for it. Customers defect over price, leave negative reviews, and move to competitors who prioritize their experience. To counter this, organizations are adopting customer relationship management, or CRM. This is a holistic philosophy that coordinates every department, from sales to support, to ensure the business remains centered on the buyer. This pivot introduces the concept of dual value creation. It's a strategy based on the idea that for a company to thrive, it must stop trying to extract value and instead build systems that generate value for the business and the customer at the same time. Strategic selling starts with the data shown here. Using Salesforce automation, teams track specific behaviors and pain points before engaging a prospect. Businesses use these insights to segment their audience, ensuring they only offer solutions to the groups that actually need them. In the consumer market, buyers often move through a model of learning about a product and developing a preference before they buy. Once that first purchase is made, the goal shifts to customer development. One primary method is add-on selling. This is the activity of offering a current client extra goods or services that complement their primary transaction. If a customer buys leather boots, a salesperson might suggest a specific polish. The goal isn't just a fire total, it's an attempt to preserve the boot's beauty, providing a better long-term experience for the buyer while increasing revenue for the store. Some use assumption selling to make this transition seamless. The salesperson acts as though the buyer has already agreed to the combination, pairing items like socks with shoes to demonstrate the total value of the set. A strategic add-on succeeds when it is rooted in data. By increasing the utility of the original purchase, the sale achieves a result where buyer and seller walk away with more value. While retail happens in mere minutes, the business-to-business market operates on a completely different scale of stakes and complexity. B2D sales cycles are long and highly rational. Decisions are rarely made by single individuals. Instead, they are evaluated by entire buying centers focused on the bottom line. In this environment, a salesperson must act as a collaborative consultant. They adopt a network perspective, looking for ways to integrate their services into the client's existing operations. B2B CRM systems are customized to track granular transaction histories. This allows a supplier to align their internal capabilities with the specific technical needs of the partner company. This deep integration reduces operational risk for the buyer. It creates a scenario where the supplier is so essential to the client's success that they secure a long-term, profitable position. At this scale, a strategic sale is a partnership. The supplier's profit is earned by directly contributing to the client's operational growth. By adopting strategic CRM, a business changes its trajectory. It transforms the traditional sales funnel into a continuous loyalty loop. This cycle builds customer equity, the total potential profit a business expects to earn from its client base over the course of the relationship. Whether it's an add-on at a retail counter or a consultative partnership in a supply chain, these strategies fuel equity by prioritizing the customer's success. High customer equity is the defining mark of global brands. They use years of consistent value to build a level of trust and devotion that protects them from any competitor's offer. In the modern economy, customers are a company's most valuable financial asset. Strategic selling is the art of engineering the win-win scenarios that turn a single transaction into a lifetime of mutual value.